phone has snow on it.
I have a very good ball.
Hold on. My phone's
What do
getting
I do
snow on
with
it.
it? How big are we making it?
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Big. I want it to be at least as tall as one of us. I want like one of those snowmen that you see like
One of the snowmans that I made a couple of it was huge, bro. You could sit on it.
I guess I remember that. I want to roll around.
Yeah, here, I show. Watch.
Look, they got a sled.
I like rolled. I don't know where. Oh, I found your snowball. Don't eat socks.
My snowman doesn't like me.
Wow, thing that looks like it. Milka! Hi, baby! Look at him. He's in the snow. He got out here a couple times.
He's leaving footprints in the snow. Kitty. He's making a sound. It's not really ball shaped. I got 2 socks.
Oh.
Do you got socks on your hands? Those are good socks for this.
I'll find your ball. You take your ball.
Mhm.
You take your snowball.
Say that again?
Did you take your snowball?
Yeah, it's over here.
Okay.
You want to start one that's going to be the medium one?
Where's mine?
You had that one?
Where's my big fat one?
Oh.
What's that now? No, I want it bigger.
Was that yours? Oh.
I gave it to you.
Where'd my snowball go?
I threw it. I didn't like throw it far, but it's somewhere over there.
Oh. Okay, make that one as big as possible.
Not really a circle, but.
I'll start another.
It's not really a ball anymore.
Yeah, I said that. It's not really ball shaped.
Oh my god, there's a hair in it.
Is that really?
Yes.
Ew.
That is not our hair. Get
That
out.
is not.
Get out.
Oh, this is heavy.
Can I throw it?
What?
I'm kidding.
Throw it, it'll break.
I threw it anyway. I like tossed it. Okay.
My socks are coming off.
Mom gave us gloves for Christmas last year. I don't know what happened to mine.
rolling it on the other side.
No.
It's big enough so that way you can just roll it around and it'll pick up snow on its own.
Heavy. Or no.
Finally, I found the storm.
Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god, it imprinted on it. Oh my god. Ow! Oh my god. Ow! This is funny. Don't fall. Don't fall. I want Mom to come home to a gigantic fat snowman.
Where are we gonna put him?
Why are you recording it, by the way? I think this is big enough.
Hold on, let's see.
You need yours bigger. Plus, this one's more round.
I don't know. Do you want to switch?
Toss it.
I'm not gonna toss it because if I toss it, it'll break.
No, I'm afraid of touching it.
Are you tired of rolling?
Oh. Oh my god, I just got snow in my ear. Okay, anyway.
I'm running out of breath. There's a pink thing in it. It looks like string from your. Oh, let's see if that's big enough. Pretty heavy. I don't think I can pick him up anymore.
Careful on that.
Wait, what?
Nothing.
Can I throw this at you?
Yeah. Ow.
It didn't explode. Here, I'll make this one like lighter.
One more time, pick it up.
Oh, this is huge. We need to make it bigger. Don't drop it. Oh my god. Where are we going?
Where are we putting it?
Oh, I thought we were going to make it bigger.
Want to make it bigger?
So you wanted to switch?
Yes.
Aaron, the snow is making my eyes teary.
You guys can sit on it.
What?
It's a seat.
Sorry, my method doesn't leave them very round.
No, there's not. It's like a little cylinder. There's more round than me.
a rock in it. See? This is ridiculous. Hold on. I want to put it by the what? By the laundromat. Really? Yeah. Okay. Sorry, everybody can see it. So we're just gonna just roll it over there? What? We're just gonna just roll it over there? Okay. Nice. I like my creative.